Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best wall mount flagpoles is probably one of the most essential accessories for any homeowner looking to proudly display their patriotism or personal flair, transforming the exterior of their house into a vibrant statement without the hassle of a ground installation, offering a sturdy and elegant solution that stands up to the elements while making your flag truly shine. Number 5. ZMTECH Flagpole, 6 feet stainless steel. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: a 1-inch diameter pole, an upgraded bracket, new tangle-free rings, and even extra carabiners. It also comes with a top ball and an installation manual to guide you. The high-strength aluminum alloy holder has been uniquely upgraded with a protective bar and 3 fixed holes. This design ensures it remains stable in 2 positions, either 90 degrees or 45 degrees, for reliable display. Say goodbye to tangled flags with its upgraded swivel rings. These rings feature hard glass beads inside, allowing them to spin smoothly and remain rust-free throughout their lifetime, keeping your flag flying freely. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel poles, hard glass bead rings, and an aluminum alloy holder, all components are rustless. It is built to withstand strong winds, heavy rain, and snow, ensuring longevity in any local weather. This versatile kit allows you to adjust its length from 1.3 feet up to 6 feet. With multiple parts, you can easily set it to 2 feet, 3 feet, 4 feet, 5 feet, or 6 feet to perfectly suit your requirements and different flag sizes. Its 5-stage design makes assembly and disassembly incredibly easy. Simply connect the pole sections and place it into the bracket for a quick and secure installation, providing superior strength and longevity. What we like. This option stands out with its uniquely upgraded bracket for enhanced stability. Its all rust-proof materials ensure long-lasting performance in any weather. If you are looking for a highly durable and stable flagpole that resists rust, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. NELXINJO 5 feet stainless steel flagpole kit. This flagpole is crafted from high-quality stainless steel. It's designed to withstand all outdoor conditions, ensuring it remains windproof, rainproof, and rust-free. Featuring unique, improved tangle-free steel ball bearings, its 360-degree free-spinning rings allow your flag to fly freely. This design prevents it from wrapping around the pole, no matter the wind direction. This 5-foot kit is perfect for various scenes and flag types. You can easily install it on your walls, in your yard, on your roof, or even on your truck. Composed of 4 distinct poles, its length is fully adjustable. You can set it anywhere from 1.3 feet to 5 feet, perfectly suiting your specific needs. Its 4-stage design makes assembly and disassembly incredibly easy, requiring no professional help. Simply place it in the bracket to install, and it's just as simple to store when not in use. What we like. This model offers exceptional weather resistance with its stainless steel construction. Its tangle-free design with steel ball bearings keeps your flag flying freely. If you need a versatile and robust pole that can withstand various outdoor conditions, this one is perfect. What people say. No positive review points could be extracted as the source JSON was empty. The provided source did not contain any product reviews to analyze. Number 3. Yeesun 6-foot American flagpole kit. Elevate your flag display with our premium flagpole kit. It's designed to proudly showcase your patriotic or decorative flags with elegance. Crafted from durable stainless steel, this pole ensures lasting performance. Its polyamide rings are also engineered for strength and reliability. Installation is a breeze with this kit. It comes complete with all necessary mounting hardware and clear, step-by-step instructions. Say goodbye to tangled flags. Its innovative rotating rings keep your flag unfurled and flying freely, even on windy days. Adjust its length from 1.3 to 6 feet to fit various flag sizes. Plus, a special rust-resistant coating protects it from the elements, ensuring it looks great year after year. Perfect for both home and business, this kit seamlessly mounts on porches or garages. It provides a dignified display for any flag, indoors or out. What we like. This product features a special rust-resistant coating for extended longevity. Its straightforward design makes installation incredibly easy for anyone. If you appreciate a simple setup and a pole that will maintain its appearance over time, you'll find this very appealing. What people say. Number 2. 304 stainless steel 6-foot flagpole with swivel rings. This sturdy material offers excellent anti-rust capabilities. Unlike iron or aluminum, it won't rust, break, or deform, even in harsh weather conditions. Equipped with an aluminum alloy rotating ring, it effectively prevents your flag from getting tangled. The built-in steel ball design ensures it flies freely, even on windy days. This heavy-duty pole is designed for exceptional strength and a very long service life. It resists rust, making it perfect for any climate, including coastal or rainy regions. Its length is easily adjustable, composed of 5 screw-together tubes. You can customize its size without any tools, simply by adding or removing sections. This versatile pole fits many scenarios, from homes and businesses to schools. Use it wall-mounted or handheld for events, and it accommodates various flag sizes. With its extended service life, you can enjoy it for a long time without frequent replacements. If you encounter any issues, our support team is ready to assist you promptly. What we like. Crafted from premium 304 stainless steel, this pole offers superior anti-rust capabilities compared to others. Its robust construction ensures exceptional durability and a very long service life. If you prioritize the absolute best material for longevity and resistance to harsh environments, this pole is ideal. What people say. Number 1. FFILY 25-foot heavy-duty aerospace aluminum flagpole kit. This flagpole is engineered with 6061 T6 aerospace aluminum, making it twice as hard as common poles. Its superior rigidity prevents bending, even in high winds, ensuring your flag always flies proudly. Crafted from heavy-duty aluminum with an extra-thick wall and a robust 2.4-inch bottom diameter, it promises premium durability. This ensures it will stand strong for years without collapsing, providing a lasting display. Featuring a classic black design, it adds a touch of elegance to any setting. You can perfectly fly 2 flags simultaneously, making it ideal for your yard, residential, or commercial property. Installation is a breeze with the detailed instructions provided. You can complete it in minutes. Its 6-section design also allows for easy disassembly and space-saving storage when not in use. This comprehensive kit comes with everything required for immediate display, including the pole, an American flag, clips, rope, and a PVC sleeve. You'll have all the components for a perfect setup right out of the box. We are committed to your satisfaction with this flagpole. If you have any questions or concerns, our professional customer service team is ready to assist you. What we like. This towering 25-foot flagpole is engineered from aerospace-grade aluminum for unparalleled strength. Its heavy-duty construction provides extreme wind resistance, preventing bending even in severe conditions. If you desire a grand, unbending display for a large flag in your yard, this in-ground kit is your top pick. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.